I know you can follow through the how to solve this, but I thought I'd record a video. A tricky substitution here. It's got some switching around we got to do. One thing we can realize is that what I want to have is I want to be able to have the same. It's an expression on top, the same as the expression on the bottom, at least the degree. So if I take this fraction, this part of that fraction, and think of that as 1 over x to the, let's see, what is x to the 6th times x squared minus 4 over x squared. This way I have got this to degree to be the same. You know, x is x squared minus 4, and it almost looked like I wrote a plus 4. Okay, and then remember these are still underneath square root, so I can break those up like that. And then some twist. So let's worry about this 1 over x to the 6th. Well, the square root of that is 1 over x cubed, right? And then this one, what you got to do is we're gonna think about this as x squared over x squared minus 4 over x squared. So that gives me 1 minus 4 over x squared. And now comes the substitution. If we say u equals 1 minus 4 over x squared, well, that's the same as 1 minus 4x to the negative 2. Now we'll take the derivative of that. What's du? Well, du is going to become the 1's a constant, so that's gone. That becomes 8x to the negative 3 times dx, which becomes, let's see, can I move this all up? I can. That becomes du equals 8 over x cubed dx. And do you see how I've got the, if we think of that as 8, that's just 1/8 du equals 1 over x cubed dx. Now you see how we can do that substitution right here. So what that's going to give us is 1/8 times the integral of, now, so we're going to replace the this part. We're going to replace this part with this part in the dx, right? With a 1/3 1 over x cubed dx, and then we brought the 1/8 out in front here. So that's gone, and then we just have the 1 minus, and we have the 1 minus 4 over x squared. That's the u. So 1 over what am I doing? 1 over, sorry. That the whole thing is, it's just the square root of u. It's u to the 1/2. du. That rapidly became much easier, huh? Because see, like, I replaced this with the u, and this became this and the dx. Here, you know what I got to do? What I got to do to make myself happy here, I'm going to write this as integral dx. So that way I'm replacing, then I can see, okay, I'm replacing this and the dx with the 1x, so with the 1/8 du, right? So 1/8 and du, and then that's still underneath the square root. And you probably know where I am, I'm just rambling. So now we just do the antiderivative. So 1 over 8 times, let's see, what is that? That becomes u to the 3/2 times 2/3. And let's see. So that 2 goes into the 8 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. So I have 1 over 12 times u. And u we know is 1 minus 4 over x squared to the 3/2 plus a constant. And is that what I had up here? Yeah. Okay, so a tricky substitution. That took me some time to figure it out. Hopefully it won't take you that long now.